Configuring and crimping UTP cable and patch panel. Configuring and crimping UTP or unshielded twisted pair cables, especially for Ethernet application, is a common task in networking. This process involves preparing the cable, arranging the wire pairs according to specified standard, and then crimping RJ45 connectors onto each end. The other end might then be connected to a patch panel. Here's a basic step-by-step guide. 1. Tool and materials required: UTP cable like Cat5e, Cat6, RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, cable strippers or scissors. 2. Preparing the UTP cable. A. Use the cable stripper to strip off about 2 inches of the cable's outer jacket. B. You will see 4 pairs of twisted wires. Separate these pairs. 3. Arrange the wires. There are 2 standard wiring shims, T568A and T568B. 4. Inserting into the RJ45 connector. A. Trim the wires to ensure they're even. B. Push the wires into the RJ45 connector. Ensure the wires remain in the correct order and are fully inserted, with the cable's jacket being just inside the connector. 5. Crimping. Insert the connector with the cable into the crimping tool slot and squeeze the tool's handles. This will push the connector's pin into the wires, securing them. 6. Testing. It's wise to test the cable using a cable tester to ensure all connections are correct.